conquer the whole world. What you say you never even conquer yourself? You never conquer yourself, you won't conquer the whole world. Hello guys, still a humble boy, Ken Original, the Champion Views, man. Yo, I did a video last time, named Pastor Visit on to another thing. So after that part one, people have been asking me to drop the part 2 ASAP. So this is it, man. I'm here to drop the part 2. Please comment and share this video, please. Share this video so that it will go viral, you know. Yeah. So that guy, as I was telling you, that guy with the gay self-control issue. So at some point, somebody come tell us, say, you know, I'm powerful man of God. We go feel pray for them, cure that thing. I said, I'm never go now. So, but before we go, I draw the guy back. Come draw it here. We want him because the guy, the kind of problem they get with woman, woman know they agree again sit down for private. As in everybody don't know what we say they no fit stay with them for inside room privately because anything can happen. If you just see if you fine, that's all. If you can everything, give you self-control, everything will come out immediately. So now me call him back, say, guy, this person where they go meet now, I don't know whether they're a man or woman. And you know, say all the woman person they fine. Many of them I don't see they fine. So this girl will go now, arrange yourself. If you go there, if you see a woman, arrange yourself, no go mess things up for there. I draw here, they say no problem. Because anything